were researching was what is the comparison between the House of Commons and the Senate and how is it helpful to Canadians. The House of Commons is Canada's law-making body federal political system, which means any bill that wants to become a law has to go through the House of Commons. It is made up of MPs. The MPs are part of political parties, and whichever has the majority of votes forms the government. It's in Ottawa.
MPs are elected, not appointed. There are 308 total seats in the House of Commons. The number of seats depends on the population or territory. There's 106 seats for Ontario, 75 seats for Quebec, 36 seats for BC, 28 for Alberta, 14 for Manitoba, 14 for Saskatchewan, 11 for Nova Scotia, 10 for New Brunswick, 7 for Newfoundland and Labrador, 4 for Prince Edward Island, 1 for Northwest Territories, 1 for Nunavut, and 1 for Yukon Territory.
Laws get passed by the House of Commons to get approved by the Senate by voting. To pass the law, you need 155 or more votes to pass it. Since there's 308 seats, this is called a majority government. A minority government is the rest of the votes that didn't win.
The Prime Minister is the leader of the winning political party. He or she is usually an MP who, after winning an election, is officially sworn in by the Governor-General. The Prime Minister of Canada is Stephen Harper.
The Senate then comes after the House of Commons. The people who run the Senate are called senators. They are not elected, but they're appointed by the Prime Minister. They can remain in the office up until the age of 75. After that, they have to retire. It includes people from a variety of political parties. You must be over 30 years old.
The House of Commons has MPs from different provinces and territories. The Senate has senators from different regions. There are 105 seats, 3 for the territories, 6 for Newfoundland and Labrador. There's 24 for Maritimes, 24 for Quebec, 24 for Ontario, and 24 for Western provinces.
The Senate is called a sober second thought because they're basically yes men. Everybody wants to get rid of the Senate because they rarely say no. The Senate can only propose laws if they went through the House of Commons first.
The Senate has the power to reject bills, but rarely uses it. It can't propose laws that create or spend taxes.
Stop.
What?
I put the dollar sign instead of bill.
Oh.
Okay, hang on, just pause that again.
The Senate has the power to reject bills, but rarely uses it. It can't propose laws that create or spend taxes. Senators must reside in Quebec or have the property qualification.
And this now wraps up our presentation on the House of Commons and the Senate. Thank you.